Hi children, welcome you all. Today I am very happy to inform you all. I am going to teach you a new concepts because your textbook has been changed. Of course, you already informed with your respective teachers. Right. Today our topic is generally a clever person. Do you know who is that? Yes, Tenali Ramakrishna. So topic name is clever Tenali Ramakrishna. This Tenali Ramakrishna belongs to which dynasty? Yes, Vijayanagara dynasty. Is it our Vijayanagara or what? No. So it is Hampi Vijayanagaram. It is belongs to Hampi Vijayanagaram. Suppose if you feel this is India map. So here you can observe Hampi Vijayanagaram. This is we are talking about this Hampi Vijayanagaram. So Tenali Ramakrishna belongs to Vijayanagara dynasty in the period of generally Sri Krishna Devaraya. Sri Krishna Devaraya means, so he belongs to which century? 16th century, means 1509 to 1529. Between Sri Krishna Devaraya's period, in that period, 8 poets were there. Very interesting thing. Those are all Telugu poets only. Telugu poets only. Those are all considered as what? Ashtadaggajas. Ashta means 8 poets. Shall we know who are the 8 poets? Yes, Allasani Padana, Dojati, Mallaya Gari, మాదయ్య గారి మల్లన, నంది తిమ్మన, అయ్యరాజులు, రామభద్రుడు, పింగళి సూరణ. These 6 members belongs to generally Rayalaseema place. Rayalaseema also belongs to our Andhra Pradesh state. Very interesting thing. So Andhra Pradesh generally Kadapa, Kannuru, Anantapuram, Chitturu. These 4 Kadapa, Kannuru, Anantapuram, Chitturu. These 4 belongs to Rayalaseema. Rayalaseema means in Andhra Pradesh only. Whereas Tenali Ramakrishna and Ramaraja, Bhushanudu, these all people are Guntur. Especially Tenali Ramakrishna belongs to which district in Andhra Pradesh? Yes, Guntur. Now we are going to discuss about his role play only. Right. Now I am going to read the textbook and I will give the explanation after reading the textbook. Right children, listen very carefully because it is very interesting role play played by Tenali Ramakrishna in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. That's why he awarded as a clever, a joyful man, a spontaneous, answerable person. He is one of the intellectual person in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. That's the reason why you also become like Tenali Ramakrishna. When you listen these stories, this type of stories, automatically you will get some intellectual ideas. Shall I start the story? Right. Yes, clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Chitravarma was the most famous painter in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. Who was a good painter in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court? Chitravarma. Very good. Right. The emperor was pleased with Chitravarma's paintings. Who? Sri Krishna Devaraya. Generally paying much more. He pleased his paintings. Whose paintings? Chitravarma's paintings. See here. Sri Krishna Devaraya appreciated too Chitravarma paintings. What about the common people? Yes, generally who are the followers of the higher authority people, they are also going to appreciate the paintings. So Sri Krishna Devaraya appreciated what we call the Chitravarma's paints, and so here people also liked his paintings. It's a common thing. So already king appreciated, then the followers also going to appreciate, right? And so here one day Chitravarma was busy with his paintings. Then immediately Emperor Krishnadevaraya happened to visit him. Okay, all of a sudden, generally, so Sri Krishnadevaraya visited his painting room. At that time, how Chitravarma? Yes, he was very busy with his paintings. Right. Immediately, Chitravarma saw his king. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, Your Majesty. Welcome, Your Majesty. He just he welcomed his king. How? So, Your Majesty means a little respect used while addressing a higher authority like a king or a queen. That is nothing else. What we call that? Your Majesty. Right. Sri Krishnadevaraya. Oh, what a beautiful picture! It looks so natural. See how the nature in our outside. Okay, same as it is drawn. Okay, a good paintings on the particular chart. Yeah, very nice, very beautiful. So, who appreciated here? Who was appreciating? Yes, Sri Krishnadevaraya appreciating to whom? Chitravarma. Right. Okay. Immediately the courtiers also, who are the followers of Sri Krishnadevaraya, the courtiers also generally, yes, Your Majesty, really, it is wonderful. See, already the king appreciated. What about followers? They don't want to violated whatever the principles, whatever appreciations, whatever the commands, whatever the orders, they must obey generally. Of course, in those days they were genuine only. That's the reason why here the courtiers also appreciated to whom? Chitravarma. How the king appreciated? They are adding wonderful. But here Sri Krishnadevaraya said beautiful. So there means what? Wonderful only. Right. Sri Krishnadevaraya. No painter on earth can compete with you. No painter with match you. You are a step on a high position. There is no parallel person with you. So you are a good painter. Means you are a unique painter. Unique means only one person in the sense he wants. Unique adjective. Only one of its kind. Unmatched person. Who? Chitravarma. See once how Sri Krishnadevaraya appreciated to Chitravarma. Just see the book, children. No painter on earth can compete with you. Chitravarma, you are a unique painter. You shall be rewarded. Yes, you shall be rewarded because you are unique. You are only one. You are you just compared to you, no one is matched with you. No one was matched with you. Right. What do you say, Ramakrishna? So beside, see our clever Tenala Ramakrishna was there. Immediately, so Sri Krishnadevaraya asked Tenala Ramakrishna. See, of course, some courtiers also there. But why Sri Krishnadevaraya question or why Sri Krishnadevaraya asked to Tenala Ramakrishna? Because he was the person to expecting a good answer from Ramakrishna, Tenala Ramakrishna, because he was a clever one. Yes, generally the clever children will question by their respective teachers. Of course, maximum people are questioned by their teachers, but particularly generally a clever people were questioned by their respective teachers, principals, headmasters, whoever. Of course, your loving parents and respect your neighbors, whoever maybe. Right. Right. See, Ramakrishna answer to what we call that? Tenala Ramakrishna answer to Sri Krishnadevaraya. Yes, my lord, such an artist he is. He deserves your encouragement. Generally, the subordinates are waiting for appreciation from the higher authorities, superiors. So here the king already appreciated. Again, Tenala Ramakrishna also boasting his paintings. Whose paintings? Chitravarma's paintings, because already his boss Sri Krishnadevaraya appreciated. Right. Sri Krishna Devaraya. That's a great. That's a great. Grateful means thankful. Let him ask for anything. He shall get whatever he wants. See once. That is great. Let him ask for anything. He shall get whatever he wants. See how he was going to award it in those days. What he likes, just we are going to providing. Tanal Ramakrishna and courtiers just once ask him. So like that, Sri Krishna Devaraya asked Chitravarma. Chitravarma answered, "Thank you very much, sir, Your Majesty. It is all your affection and encouragement. Thank you very much. It is nothing else, your affection and also encouragement." And Sri Krishna Devaraya responding, "See, your presence in the council of advisors will be a boon to the Vijayanagara Empire." Boon means a gift. Boon means a gift, a particular thing. Boon means a gift, right? If you are the one of the member in my court as an advisor, okay, the Vijayanagara dynasty feels it is a boon. It is a boon. He just like that he was explained to Chitravarma. Chitravarma, "I am afraid. I am not, Your Majesty. Your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants." See, generally one elephant, if you see, it is a vast, huge, very big animal, strengthened animal. What about 1,000 elephants? How he receiving the blessings from Sri Krishna Devaraya? See once, "I am afraid. I am not, Your Majesty. Your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants." Okay, Sri Krishna Devaraya said, "No, a great painter like you should be rewarded a fitting manner." Fitting manner means here, okay, you are the person, you are eligible to take my, okay, whatever I am going to rewarded you. Yes, Chitravarma, your highness is merciful. Your highness is merciful. See, Chitravarma explaining to, Krishna Devaraya, "Sir, your highness is merciful means your blessings is that much I have. So, I am very happy." Sri Krishna Devaraya thinking for a while, he snapped his fingers. He snapped like this. Snapped means here fingers snapped means just he clapped. He clapped. See once. Okay. Snapped means verb only. Made a sudden sound by the fingers. Made a sudden sound by the fingers. Right. Like this. Right. Next, Chitravarma, okay, just observing. "You will be my chief advisor from today onwards." Sri Krishna Devaraya, while Chitravarma is observing and explaining, "You will be my advisor. Not only simple advisor, you are my chief advisor." See how Sri Krishna Devaraya awarded to Chitravarma. Right. Chitravarma, "What? I cannot understand. How I am blessed, Your Majesty." See, when we are appreciating by the higher authority, originally we will get some strength. Okay, automatically ourselves only we are boosting ourselves. Okay, right. So, "What? I cannot understand. How I am blessed, Your Majesty." So, immediately Tanala Ramakrishna aside only. He was the person in a keen observation. He was a person in a keen observation. "Excuse me, Your Majesty." So he is asking his king, "Excuse me, Your Majesty. He is talented in painting. No doubt at all. Sir, okay, Your Majesty, he is good at paintings, no doubt at all. But would it be a right decision, okay, to make him a right decision should be, okay, make him, sir, just he asked his king, who? Sri Krishna Devaraya asked his king, okay, okay, here Tenala Ramakrishna asked his king Sri Krishna Devaraya. Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, the emperor of Vijayanagara knows what is right. Minister, please make an announcement that Chitravarma will be the chief advisor hereafter in our court. See, right? Tenala Ramakrishna. So, our Vijayanagara dynasty is Vijayanagara. Okay, dynasty Vijayanagara knows what is right, what is wrong. Hey, minister, please an announcement, make an announcement that Chitravarma will be our, my chief advisor. Chitravarma is my chief advisor. Advisor, it is a noun, one who offers advice. A person is which area or which field he is suitable. He is considered as a advisor. A person whoever may be, which generally in which place is suitable, that person is considered as a advisor. Simply, you know that one who offers advice. Advisor means, right? Minister, yes, your majesty, I will make him an announcement in our empire. But Chitravarma's plans and actions led to confusion everywhere. Here, children, one thing you should be in a keen observation. What happened? Okay, Sri Krishna Devaraya rewarded with as a chief advisor. Okay, to whom? To give the opportunity to whom? Chitravarma. Here, Tenala Ramakrishna crossed his examination and tried to explain his words. But here, because he was the king only now, that's why he didn't accept his words. So, finally, what he said? Hello, minister, we know very well what is right. See, like that, he questioned to his minister, Tenala Ramakrishna. So, immediately, Tenala Ramakrishna implemented whatever the king wants to implement in the respect to dynasty. So, immediately he announced, okay, announcement. Announcement, it is a public notice. Whatever the government or the, for example, our Andhra Pradesh government or Telangana government or any our nation, for example, okay, whatever the prime minister, okay, announced, that should be public notice, that should be comes under the public notice. Announcement means here a public notice. So, here the minister sent a message to the public. Today onwards, he was the person to, okay, appointed as the chief advisor of Sri Krishna Devaraya, right? Ramakrishna. Okay, here some of the ministers are okay, try to meet Tenala Ramakrishna. See, he had never handled the matters of court before. Who? Chitravarma. His decisions were irrelevant, unmatched. Irrelevant. It is not a, okay, matching, improper. The whatever the decisions are taken by Chitravarma, okay, those are all not completely matching, improper only. That's the reason why here the people also not able to understanding. At the same time, in his minister of okay, Sri Krishna Devaraya also, they are not able to understanding. Okay, so his decisions were irrelevant. His conclusions lacked sense. Whatever given the decision making by Chitravarma, it is okay, lagging only. Its a conclusion is lagging. Okay, that means lacked sense. With this, the people grow impatient. Generally, one time, two times, okay, but third and fourth and the rest of the times, the people were not. They won't listen the words, whoever may be. So, like that. See here, impatient means eager. Adjective. Okay, right. And the emperor continued to support him. But here, these things were happened. but here a complete support from his emperor, who? Sri Krishna Deva Raya. That's why no one cannot stop him. Right. The elders of the empire decided to seek help from the court's jester Thenali Ramakrishna in this matter. Yes. So all the ministers planned and tried to meet Thenali Ramakrishna because he was a clever person. This type of incidents. So immediately Thenali Ramakrishna also said, what he said? Yes, Thenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and assured them not to worry. Yes, assured. Assured यानी भरोसा. Assured means भरोसा. Okay. भरोसा means believe, confidence, confine. Okay. See once here. Assured means verb convinced, promised. Convinced, promised, and what I said, bharosa. Right. Who gave the bharosa to whom? Thenali Ramakrishna, a clever Thenali Ramakrishna gave a bharosa or gave a assurance to his ministers. Okay, leave it. I was the person, okay, to handle. I have an idea, because I have an idea. So one day Thenali Ramakrishna approached the emperor Sri Krishna Deva Raya. One fine day came into his hands. In the sense, one fine day he approached to Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Yes, Ramakrishna, your majesty, you know that I have been blessed with a baby boy. I will be happy if you visit my house for my boy's naming. Okay, ceremony. Here Ramakrishna came and what we call that here, he requested his Sri Krishna Deva Raya, okay, because your majesty, you know that I have been blessed with a baby boy, so I will be happy if you visit my house for my boy's naming ceremony. Okay, tomorrow. Okay. Sri Krishna Deva Raya, okay. Oh, wonderful. It is my pleasure, Ramakrishna. Okay, so the emperor visited Ramakrishna's house for the next day. Okay, right, Ramakrishna with a bouquet of flowers, with a bouquet of flowers welcomed Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Right. So welcome your majesty. You are grateful for your visit. Please bless my son. Okay, whoever visited your house, generally the higher authority, generally we say like this, we are grateful for your visit. Please bless my son. Okay. Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Dirghayushman Bhava. Dirghayushman Bhava means, okay, you see, may you have long life. A Sanskrit expression, that is a Sanskrit explain how you expression. So may you have a long life. Your child have a long life means Dirghayushman Bhava. This is taken of my love. The emperor puts a gold chain around a baby's neck. Okay, we are giving chocolates, biscuits, half biscuit, half chocolate, but here king visited Thenali Ramakrishna's baby ceremony, naming ceremony function. Okay, baby ceremony. So that's the reason why what he brought. He brought, okay, a gold chain. Okay, how much his neck? That much he purchased. Okay. Ramakrishna, thank you very much, your majesty. You are requested to join for us lunch. So generally, okay, naming ceremony completed, then immediately Thenali Ramakrishna offered him for lunch. Right. Sri Krishna Deva Raya, after having tasted, oh, water, give me water, urgent. See, immediately side courtiers also there. Oh God, water. Sri Krishna Deva Raya, hey Ramakrishna, what is this? Horrible dishes. Okay, courtier 1, courtier 2, courtier 3. See, again responding immediately. Courtier 1, how he was responded? It is too spicy. The courtier second one, it is too salty. And third one, okay, not cooked properly. It is undercooked. First one said about spicy. Second one said about salty. Third one, okay, the food was not cooked properly. It was in undercooked. So Sri Krishnadevaraya angrily, who cooked this? Is this way to cooked food? Just he put a number of questions in front of Sri Krishnadevaraya. Children, Tanala Ramakrishna, so already he expected what was the incident will happen. Okay, so here Sri Krishnadevaraya immediately courteous, do you want to all of us to die? Tanala Ramakrishna, do you want to all of us die or what? See, like that the courtiers also following his king words. Right, Ramakrishna with folded hands, please forgive me, sir. Let me introduce the cook to you. So simply just he folded his hands and simply bow his head in front of the Sri Krishnadevaraya and explained, okay, so please forgive me, sir. Let me introduce. Introduce means unknown person, make known. Make known. So introduce means verb. So meaning make known. Okay. Sri Krishnadevaraya, bring him at once, or else you will be punished. See, because he was also minister. That's why he has some rights taken by the king Sri Krishnadevaraya. That's why he has rights. Bring him, or else you will be punished. Right. Ramakrishna presenting a carpenter instead of a cook. Means, children, here, so he is a good carpenter, okay, but just he appointed as a cook in his boy babies ceremony. That's why he presented a carpenter. This is the best carpenter in our Vijayanagara, Your Majesty. So this person only, okay, a good carpenter in our Vijayanagara dynasty. So see, he is a brilliant worker. This carpenter worked in a brilliant manner in his work, but not in a food generally. I gave him the task for cooking for today. He is good at generally a carpenter work. He has some brilliantness. That's why, okay, generally in our Vijayanagara dynasty. But I gave him the task of cooking for today. Sri Krishnadevaraya. Okay, are you crazy, Ramakrishna? He may be an excellent carpenter. How can he be a cook? See, question like that to Tanala Ramakrishna. Who? Sri Krishnadevaraya question to Tanala Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna answered, pardon me, sir. Pardon me, Your Majesty. If a painter can be your chief advisor, why can a carpenter not be a cook? See, like that the question. Okay. So here, children, you should observe, without any harmful words, without any aggressive face, okay, he arranged this type of situation. Arranged in the sense, he was the person to applying to answer with his words, with his smooth words to his king. Okay, not only a common man. So that is very important, because of he has a plenty of patience. That's why he was considered as a clever one. That is the only the reason. So some people may be in our society, they try to, okay, motivated to put in aggressiveness, but we have a plenty of patience. Why should we get angriness? So the same thing happened in the dynasty of Vijayanagara, especially in the period of Sri Krishnadevaraya 1509 to 1529. Okay, in 16th century, okay, he applied his brain, right, children? So he questioned. How he questioned? Pardon me, sir. Pardon me, Your Majesty. If a painter can be your chief advisor, why can a carpenter not be a cook? See, he put a question mark. Sri Krishnadevaraya, lost in thought, shaking his head slowly. Ramakrishna, you opened my eyes. Who? Tanala Ramakrishna opened Sri Krishnadevaraya's eyes. Eyes in the sense, opened the eyes sense means not these eyes, Ice means the ideas, the thoughts, the spontaneous thinking. Of course, the intellectual ideas, brilliant ideas. With the help of that, so Sri Krishna Deva Raya, said like this: Ramakrishna, you opened my eyes. You made me realize my mistake. See, realize, understand what I committed previously, the mistake. You realized me, right? Thank you, thank you. Like that, of course, kings. Chitravarma, I was afraid to say, no, your majesty, I am very happy, thankful to you if I am sent back to my previous job. Previous job means again he went for a good paintings. Who? Chitravarma. Sri Krishna Deva Raya, minister, make necessary arrangements to send him back. Whatever the necessary things to, what we call that arrangements to Chitravarma to do it. So like that he ordered the minister, he ordered his minister, Ramakrishna. Thank you very much, your majesty. Ramakrishna, thanks saying, his king, thank you very much, your majesty. So all the people assembled there, hailed Tenali Ramakrishna for his presence of mind in front of the Sri Krishna Deva Raya's court. Children, do you got it? What I said? Yes, a clever Tenali Ramakrishna. So what was the situations happened in your presence? For example, if your teacher or higher authorities sometimes maybe aggressively passed some notices and everything, but we gradually just studied, and when the times comes, immediately you are the people to apply your brain in a proper manner, like our clever Tenali Ramakrishna, right children? Thank you one and all. Right. So here some prefixes are there. I will give you the work. Just you need to do it at your home. Na? Happy, just unhappy, sufficient, insufficient, matured, immature, agree, disagree, responsible, irresponsible. These are the suffixes. Coming to just I will give the little bit task at homework, right? One is balance. Write the opposite words of balance. Second one, legal. Third one, regular. Fourth one, acceptable. Fifth one, comfort. These 5 words are given to you for write their opposite words. Opposite means antonymous. Children, in the next class we will discuss second chapter. What was the second chapter? The snake catcher, right? Thank you.